Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make egg curry in a thick gravy. The recipe is right below the video in the description section. I'm using 12 eggs. The easiest way I've found to peel eggs is to cook them in my Instant Pot. Of course, you can cook them any way you like. Put the rack in, a cup of water, add a splash of vinegar if you'd like, it helps with the smell. Gently put the eggs on the rack. It is fine to stack them. I'm using the Instant Pot Mini, which is 3 quarts. Close the lid and turn the valve to sealing. Press pressure cook and set the time to 5 minutes. After time is up, leave it alone for 5 minutes, then turn off. Release the pressure. The float valve dropped down so it's safe to open the lid. Put the eggs in a bowl with cold water. And leave for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, crack the egg on the top, bottom, and sides. Start peeling the wider end and the shell comes off easily. Sometimes there are particles on the shells, so I do rinse off the peeled eggs. For the gravy, puree cut up red onion, puree fresh tomatoes. Canned tomato puree is also fine for this recipe and is a lot more red in color and thicker than fresh tomato puree. Heat up a pan and add a few tablespoons of ghee. Oil is also fine. Add cumin seeds, they'll sizzle and start to smell and turn color. It'll take less than 30 seconds. Add the onion puree, salt, and cook about 10 minutes until it is no longer raw. Add slit green chilies, ginger paste, and garlic paste. I use a rasp to grate both, so it is the consistency of a paste. Let that cook for a minute or two until no longer raw. Add Kashmiri chili powder, ground turmeric, ground coriander, ground cumin, ground fenugreek, and ground fennel. If you don't have fenugreek and fennel, it's okay to leave them out. Just add a little bit of garam masala for more flavor. Mix and cook for a minute. Add the tomato puree. Stir and let it come to a simmer. A little salt. Cover and cook until the oil separates. In the meantime, make a few slits in each egg. Heat up a pan and add ghee or oil. On low heat, add ground turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, and salt. Stir for 30 seconds. Make sure the heat is low so the spices don't burn. Add the eggs and stir to coat them in the spices. About 5 minutes. The sauce is simmering and the oil has separated. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of boiled water. Stir and it'll come up to a simmer very quickly. Taste and add more salt if necessary. Add the eggs in and cover with gravy. Put the lid on and simmer for 5 minutes. Sprinkle on some chopped cilantro and it is ready to serve. There's plenty of thick gravy to serve over rice or scoop up with any type of bread. Let me know how you guys like the curry. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.